Hey everybody, I am a VIP, so we're going to have a party soon, and what better way to celebrate is to have everybody have a wristband that says VIP. So let's go ahead and show you guys what these look like here. I want to try to open it without making too much of a mess here. Let's see. There we go. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. You've got a lot of them. And so it's got those kind of one-way pullers on it. So the way it'll work is you'll put this on the person's wrist like that, and then you pull that little band this way. I don't know if I can do it just single-handedly, but I'll show you guys off of me just because it'll pull it down. And then once it's pulled down, it can't pull back up again. So it's a one-way, goes on, it stays on. How cool is that? So there you go. So now you can put on VIP little bands on the people for your party or whatever, and you've got a whole ton of them, so you can put the little VIP bands and you'll know who's important or whatever. You have the access to these. You could use them. People use, I remember they had them at fraternity parties and things like that, as well as other things. So if you need a VIP bands, this one here is a big pack of them. Thumbs up.